11th sum. Show that a determinant a square plus x square ab ac, ab b square plus x square bc, ac bc c square plus x square is divisible by x power 4. Take the left hand side first, and we want to take the determinant value as usual, the simple determinant value. How to take this determinant value here? We have to keep this a plus x square into, leave this column and row, and we have to cross multiply these two, isn't it? So by cross multiplying here these two, b square c square plus b square x square plus x square c square plus x power 4, and then cross multiply of the other side these two, that means b square c square. So we have to put minus in between, isn't it? So minus b square c square. Next, minus, we have to put minus symbol here. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus, isn't it? So put this minus symbol here. AB, this AB into, we have to remove, leave this column and this row. So we have to cross multiply these two. That means AB c square plus AB x square. And then the other side we want to multiply these two, minus, put minus there, a square a b c square. And the next term is AC. We want to expand through the first term, isn't it? First row. So AC into, we have to cross multiply these two. That means a b square c, minus, we have to cross multiply these two there. So if you cross multiply these two, what else we got there? ACB square minus AC x square equal to, so this is the determinant value now, isn't it? So now I can take this simplification here. What are the things we had? This cancellation thing. We can see a square b square, and here also these two things will be cancelled. The remaining things we have b square x square plus c square x square plus x power 4. What about the next bracket here? These two will get cancelled. The remaining thing is ab x square into this ab. And then at the constant term here also these two will get cancelled. The remaining we had ac into a x square c. So again we want to remove the brackets there, so that multiply each and everything there. So if you multiply these two, what else we by a square? We had a square b square x square, and then a square c square x square, and then a square a square x power 4. Then if you multiply with x square x power 4 b square, here x power 4 c square, here x power 6. So we had these three terms there, and then again we want to multiply these two. It will be minus a square b square x square, and then we want to multiply these things. So minus a square c square x square. So again we can cancel these two here. The remaining things, what else we had here and here will get cancelled. So we had only these things there. In this we can take this x power 4 as common. So we have a square, here b square plus c square, here this is x square only there. So that in the bracket we had a square plus b square plus c square plus x square. So from this we can conclude this term is, the answer is divisible by x power 4 there. So if it is divisible by x power 4, the problem itself they ask, it is in the format of it is divisible by